Good evening, everybody. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Tonight we're going to make some french fries. We're just going to cut them up with a knife. But we are using 3 different types of potatoes. We have our russet, we have our reds, and we have our golds. And these are all organic. And so I'm going to cut them up. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Hey everybody, it's Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. So we just cut our potatoes up by hand. But you can see it's a colorful blend of potatoes. Again, this is red potatoes, gold potatoes, and russet potatoes. What's missing, which I have not been able to find right now, is the purple Adirondack potatoes. Those make fantastic french fries as well. Hey, Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Here's some of our homemade fries. Oh, they're really good. That's kosher salt on them. And again, really good, really good. Thank you very much. Have a good night.